Bitpanda Crypto Exchange Review, My Usage Experience. Bitpanda is a user-friendly crypto exchange platform designed for beginners and advanced traders alike, offering a seamless way to buy, sell, and manage cryptocurrencies. With its intuitive interface, Bitpanda supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, making it a versatile choice for users looking to diversify their portfolios. One standout feature is Bitpanda's robust integration with fiat currencies, allowing deposits and withdrawals in euros, dollars, and more, which makes it especially convenient for European users. For investors interested in more than just crypto, Bitpanda also provides access to stocks, ETFs, and precious metals, creating a one-stop platform for all your investment needs. The Bitpanda Pro platform caters to advanced traders, offering competitive fees, high liquidity, and a wide range of trading pairs. The platform includes detailed charting tools and order types that help refine trading strategies. Security is a top priority on Bitpanda, with features like two-factor authentication, state-of-the-art encryption, and a transparent, verified history of operation that inspires trust. What sets Bitpanda apart is its simplicity in onboarding. The platform has a quick registration process, easy KYC verification, and flexible payment options, including credit cards, bank transfers, and even PayPal. Beginners will appreciate the simplicity of Bitpanda's interface, while advanced users can utilize features like recurring investments to automate their portfolio growth. Bitpanda's mobile app mirrors the desktop experience, allowing you to manage your assets on the go effortlessly. However, Bitpanda isn't without its drawbacks. Transaction fees are higher compared to some competitors, especially for small trades, as they are included in the displayed prices. Additionally, while its customer support is efficient, response times can occasionally lag during high traffic periods. Overall, Bitpanda is ideal for European investors who value an all-in-one platform for crypto and traditional assets. It's especially suited for those who want to balance simplicity with functionality. If you're someone looking for a secure, user-friendly, and versatile exchange, Bitpanda deserves serious consideration. It's been a reliable choice for me, and I'd recommend it to anyone starting their crypto journey or expanding their investment horizons.